Hey guys, this is Prashant from Tech Madness. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to capture your laptop's screen. So there are different ways of doing it, and also there are different tools are available in the market, freely available basically. Also, Windows 10 has its own tool, which is by default installed with the operating system. But instead of using tools, are there any options to take a screenshot? So first option is there is a print screen button on your keyboard which can take a screenshot of your entire screen, meaning this entire window along with this taskbar and time and everything. So let me press print screen and quickly go back to the paint and paste it from clipboard. So as you see here, everything like including taskbar and the top of that window is kept. If you want to just capture the active window, let me resize this window to the smallest so that I can show you the difference of what I'm talking about. If you want to capture this active window, press alt button from your keyboard and then press print screen. So whichever the window is active, only that window will be captured. So let me open a new canvas here in the paint and paste whatever there is in the clipboard. So as you see, uh, only that active window is captured and not the taskbar and not the the things behind this window. So this is a active window print screen option. So on some of the laptop, uh, just by pressing the print screen, it won't capture the screen. So along with print screen button, you will have to press function. So that option also can be available on some of the laptops, like I said. Also on Windows 10, there is another additional option given by Microsoft, like press the window start key and then press print screen. So as you just saw, the screen was blinked for a millisecond. So it have captured the screenshot and it have stored that screenshot in the screenshot section of the documents. So it might be in the pictures, I guess. Yeah, right. So you don't have to go in paint and paste whatever there is in the clipboard you have captured and then edit it. And from here onwards, you can edit whatever you want. Guys, I hope now you have learned how to take a screenshot of your laptop screen. I'm going to share such more basic things. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel and see you in the next video with another such a basic tips. Until then, bye bye.